All right, so I'd like us to take Big Rock Candy Mountain from 21 to the end for today. So watch the video, practice your parts, and then at your sectional today, this is what we'll go through. And make sure you ask any questions there. And then you'll have this for your play test today. And then we'll be finished with this piece. But the end, starting at 21, I'm going to say we're going to start at the pickup. Now what that means is we're not starting exactly right at 21 for a lot of us, because if you're, let's say, a baritone player or a trombone player, you have two very important notes that happen before 21. And you notice there's an F, so the forte, that's where we're going to start because you have the melody. So I'm going to go through that part first. So here's 21, the baritone and trombone part. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at 29. 29 for a lot of us is the same as 13. It's a great thing about music. You may have a 4-minute piece, but you'll realize that a lot of it actually repeats itself. So once you get it down once, you've got the next part down. And that's exactly what they do at 29. So baritone, trombone, you already have that done at 29. The difference happens at 33. So if we all remember back in December when we did Jingle Bells, and to make the piece sound like it's ending, they made things longer. That's exactly what they do at 35. So if you notice, everyone has half notes. So at 35, everyone goes 1, 2, ready, go. And then 37 finishes it out. But that just makes it sound like it's the end of the piece. Otherwise, it would seem kind of abrupt and like what just happened. So that's what they're doing there. Now let's take a look at trumpet. So we're kind of working bottom up from my score order. Trumpets, you have a big long rest, don't you? And then by 29, oh look, it's the same as 13. The difference happens, and here's your pickup, when you get to 33. So we're going to start the two notes that have that kind of F underneath before 33. And actually, saxes and clarinets and flutes have the same part. So this is pickup to 33. This would be melody, so flutes, clarinets, and alto sax. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Here's when it slows down. 1, 2. Now 37. That kind of looks like the beginning, doesn't it? So we have clarinets, alto saxes, and trumpets doing this. Okay, and that's your ending. Now, the last two measures are alto sax, trombone. So you guys go 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's keep going bottom up. Alto saxes, when you have, right at 21, you have half notes. So you're kind of the background, okay? So alto sax, play 21. And this is actually the same part as clarinet and flute. So let's all play that. So here's 21, alto sax, clarinet, flute. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now it goes fast. Slow again. 1, 29, and then it goes into the melody, which we've already done. So this is the part that we're going to go through today at your sectional, and this is what you'll have on your play test. You're going to play from 21 to the end. Trumpets, I don't need to hear you guys sit there and count for like 8 measures. So you get to start basically at, I think, 29 is your first part. So yours is going to be a short play test, okay? All right, see you later.